Hi, today's short is an excerpt from my blog post, Loud Love. Does love have a sound? Yes. When you hear it, there's a rushing in your whole being, like light is filling you up, and then you are filling up the space you are in at the same time. It is loud. Loud as in it shatters your pain and fills you up and takes you over. You can't miss it. It disturbs, but isn't disturbing. The sound of love is the sound of life, sacred and unbound. The only thing louder is the unmanifest potential of the void. That silence of the void, yes, it's so loud, it's deafening. The sound of love can be heard without working ears, or moving legs, or feeling skin. The ecstasy of the sound ripples into infinity. It gives light to unseeing eyes. It gives birth to universes unfolding. You can listen to the full reading and read the full post through the links provided in this video's description. Thanks as always, and take care.